We're going to do a brief walkthrough of reporting your data in the Shelter Animals Count database, the new collaborative initiative created to gather and share national sheltered animal statistics. After you've completed the registration and confirmation process and you're ready to report, you can log into your account using the link on the Shelter Animals Count home page. This is the screen you'll see once you log in. You can use the drop-down box to select the year you want to view. It defaults to the current year. You'll notice that there are red X's for February through December. That's because I've not entered data into the system for those months yet. When you're ready, you can select Add Edit Animal Data from the right side menu. If you're registered to report data for multiple locations, they'll be listed here and you can select which one to report for. Then you pick the month and year you want and hit Go. I'm going to do February 2016. You'll notice that the reporting matrix is split into dogs and cats and has columns for age, including an unknown age column. The first section asks for counts for each category at the beginning of the reporting month. Then you input intakes, live outcomes, and other outcomes by intake or outcome type. If you mouse over the orange question mark, you can see the definitions for each of the categories. The last section, ending animal counts, asks you to enter manual counts. It's important to note this may differ a little bit from the auto-calculated ending count, and that's okay. These differences often arise from the aging of animals. For example, they came in as a kitten, but they aged to adult by the time of outcome. We have the manual head count and the calculated total, so you can check the numbers against each other and investigate any significant differences. To enter data, simply click in the first cell and enter a value. Then you can use the Tab key to toggle to the next cell. Please note, you do have to fill out every cell, so if you don't have any to report for a particular category, you have to enter a 0. I'm going to run through and fill out the form, but miss a cell or two to show you what happens if you don't complete the month. This will just take a moment. I'm going to skip a few, enter live outcomes, other outcomes, and then finally manual ending counts, and the calculated ones look a little off just because I entered ones everywhere else. Just a quick heads up, the data entry page will time out around 30 minutes if you're not actively entering data, so make sure you save your progress and come back to it if you need to step away for a while. If you click Save, you'll see that a message pops up that says your work has been saved, but it is incomplete. All fields must contain values to be considered complete. If you go to the dashboard screen, you'll see that there's an I indicating that the February form has been entered, but it's incomplete. If we go in and fill in the missing values, which you can go back to Add or Edit Animal Data, or you can go to All Animal Data Records. We did February 2016. I'm going to fill in those months I missed. Those cells, sorry. Click Save. And then you get a confirmation that the month is complete. And the dashboard now shows a green checkbox for that month. You'll notice that the dashboard also has year-to-date statistics at the bottom that will summarize all the values you enter for every month. So that's a great way to see your data at a glance. You can also go to All Animal Data Records to see all the months you've entered so far. That's a quick run-through of reporting in Shelter Animals Count. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us by using the contact form, which can be found under the Get Involved tab on the home page. Thanks for watching.